what I found out on the first one. This needs to move from the factory mirror to the Suma mirror. However, on the first one, what I did was I tried to move this one to that and then pop it on. And what happens is I got the main part in no problem, but the two adjusters, I could not get those in with it already attached. So I took it back off, took this off. I'm gonna install this directly onto the motor mirror housing, and then I'm gonna snap the Suma mirror on top of this already installed. Now we install this. One other thing I do want to note is the thickness of the factory mirror versus the thickness of the Suma mirror. So it does actually stick out just a little bit more in factory. It's not completely snug in there. Checking, and I see that this side clip, top clip, bottom clip, or right clip. And bottom clip is good. It is in all the way.